I poured eggs over the chicken liver, a delicious dish that the whole family enjoyed. First, I cracked 4 eggs into a baking tray. Then I placed a sieve on it. Add 100 grams of flour. This sifting step helps to make the flour finer, looser, and less prone to clumping when mixing. Next, I added 70 grams of sugar, along with 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Then use a whisk to mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Where are you watching from? Comment your country below. It's great to connect with people worldwide. Now comes the soul of the dish. I pour in a sufficient amount of sparkling water into the mixture. The interesting thing here is that the gas helps create many tiny bubbles, making the mixture lighter, and when heated, it expands and becomes much softer and fluffier. Then, I placed the tray in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 20 minutes. I added a spoonful of salt to the boiling water. Then, take about 500 grams of chicken liver that has been washed with salt water. Blanch it for about 5 minutes to remove impurities and reduce its characteristic smell. Next, slice 1 onion. This is a great flavor-boosting ingredient for many dishes, with its natural sweetness and numerous antioxidants. In another stove, I heated a pan and added some oil. When the oil is hot, I add the onions and stir well. Just a quick stir in the hot pan will make the onions fragrant and much more appealing. Do you enjoy watching the World Cup? Which team is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. Next, I added shredded carrots. Carrots not only add color to the dish, but are also rich in beta-carotene, which is great for the eyes and immune system. When onions and carrots are combined, they create a base that is both subtly sweet and aromatic, making the dish much more appealing. Crack 3 eggs into a large bowl. Then, I added chopped scallions to enhance the aroma and make the eggs taste fresher. It's great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. By this time, the onions and carrots were cooked through in the pan, so I turned off the heat and poured everything into the bowl of eggs. Stir well with a spoon. Now that the chicken livers have been blanched, I drain them in a colander. Then cut it into small, bite-sized pieces. Chicken liver was chosen as the main ingredient for today's dish not only for its distinctive rich and savory flavor, but also for its high nutritional value. It contains abundant protein, is rich in iron and vitamin B12, helping the body maintain better energy levels each day, making it very suitable for main meals for any family. I added the finely chopped chicken liver to the mixture so that all the ingredients would blend together. To add an interesting texture and enhance the richness, I prepared 3 boiled eggs, chopped them finely, and added them to the mixture. Finally, I seasoned it with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of rice flour. The rice flour at this stage will help the mixture bind together better, so that when pan frying the dish, it will maintain its shape and not fall apart. Then, I mix everything well, and it's ready for frying. Next, I put a thin layer of oil on the pan. When the oil is hot, pour the entire mixture in and spread it evenly. It's great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Once the cake had baked for the required time, I took it out of the oven. Look at it! The top is beautifully golden brown, perfectly risen, and looks very appealing. The product is a soft, fluffy baked egg tart with a mild sweetness, a fragrant egg aroma, and a lighter texture thanks to the sparkling water. When the chicken liver reaches a certain level of doneness, I add some cheese on top. Then cover the lid for a few more minutes to allow the cheese to melt. Once the cheese has completely melted, open the lid and add a little chopped cilantro. Finally, I took it out and scooped it into bite-sized pieces. The finished dish is a soft, creamy pan-fried chicken liver and egg dish, fragrant with onion and cheese, with a rich chicken liver and boiled egg inside, creating a very interesting texture that is both delicious and nutritious. So today, we've prepared 2 dishes with very unique and creative twists. Which one do you like better? Leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is my motivation to continue sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.